Good morning, everyone. Sheila here in Boho Daydreams, and welcome to my channel. I hope you're all having a wonderful day. It's Wednesday, and it is crazy winter wonderland outside. We already have about 4 inches of snow, and it doesn't look like it's going to be stopping anytime soon. Almost makes me feel like getting the Christmas tree back out, getting some presents under the tree. It's very, very beautiful, but really, come on. I want the sunshine. I want to go out and dye some papers. Anyway, I'm going to pop up my information first. I'm Sheila Genrich, scoghill4@gmail.com. Facebook group is Boho Daydreams, and I will link all that in the description box. Also, I just want to say please forgive the condition of my hands. I have been dyeing things, and I have been tea staining papers. It's a little difficult and challenging to do the tea papers here in my studio because they all have to go on the stainless steel pan, which is sitting on top of my little wood stove. It's interesting. So I want to show you a few things that I got, and I got with purpose and intention. And some of these things are going to be giveaways in my Patreon. And I'm going to link that in the description box too, because they're very beautiful, and maybe you want to come on over and take a look and see what we're doing over there. So the first thing I want to show you is the stamp I got from Lorna. I actually bought 2 stamps from Lorna, 2 of the same stamps, because they're beautiful, and I think that, wouldn't that make a nice giveaway? Oh, I think so. And I hate to spoil all the anticipation of what's to come, but I cannot help myself. So we all know Lorna, and I'm going to link her in the description box. Next, I have some beautiful toppers, journal toppers, and these come from Sheryl's Dashing Designs, and she is Sheryl Blair Hood in our Facebook group, and I'm going to link her in the description box too. But she makes these beautiful toppers, and she's so very busy. I know we all love them. And I just want to show you the journal that she gifted me with one of her toppers on it. Isn't that beautiful? Oh, so very beautiful. And I've seen others of you using your toppers and making them your own and putting a little boho flair to them. Just beautiful. Aren't those gorgeous? So that is an upcoming something. Oh my goodness, things are falling. And now I want to show you something that I actually bought some of these at our retreat last year, and I cannot find them. And then I found out that they're actually available. So I got a whole bunch of them because I just love them. And I'm looking for the card and I can't find it. Anyway, look at these. These are just beautiful. Let me just grab the card out of there. This is Vintage Elegance Inspirations, and it's Karen Anderson. I'll link her in the description box also. But she has these most beautiful textile packages, and she calls them her luxury bundles. And she's got some coming to the retreat, and I'm not showing any of that because that's kind of special for the retreat. One of these, this one right here, is going to be a giveaway in my Patreon. Isn't that beautiful? So they're silks and they're all sorts of fabric. And look at the beautiful bow it's tied with. And then there is a vintage piece of jewelry on it. And she has these in all the different colors. And she labels them on the back. These ones I haven't opened. I opened a few of them and I got the things mixed up. So I thought better not show that because I have no idea what's what. But look at how beautiful they are. Oh, I just want to open all of them up. They're all so stunning. So maybe we will. Let's open them up. how beautiful they are. I don't even want to open that up, but I do believe, let me see, let me just grab one of them. I do believe these are fat 8s. Yes, they are. Maybe even a little bigger than that. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? Oh my goodness sakes. And I probably would not have remembered that I had these if it had not been for Randi Kirby, who's Dreamy Bohemian. She made a journal using one of these fabrics, and I can't remember exactly which one it was. So I'm going to link her in the description box too, because, oh my goodness, the journal that she's created, I think in the future is going to be a course. I think she should make a course out of it. Isn't that beautiful? So each of these packages has 4 textiles in it. And Karen says she has more. She can make more packages if she needs to. Because once you get your hands on one of these packages, you're going to want more and more and more, just like the rest of us do. So anyway, I just had to pop on and show you that. So I'm going to link her in the description box also, because honestly, these are just so gorgeous. I cannot wait to make a little journal with one of these packages. Oh, they're so beautiful. I love them so much. Look at that. Isn't that pretty? And each one of them has a beautiful vintage piece of jewelry on them that we can add to our journals or whatever it is that we're making. It is pretty busy here in the studio. I have almost completed all of my all the pink packages that I was working like mad to finish. Just about everything is now sent out, and I'm doing the customs, and I'm getting ready for something new and something special for Patreon, which is always exciting to me. Let me tell you, I love being in there. Anyway, I hope you all have a good rest of your week, and I will talk to you again all soon. Bye-bye.